Hello and welcome everybody for another video. I just wanted to show you this account where I was trading euro dollar and I was just always long, but I was looking at the charts and obviously I use positive risk reward, which is about 20 pips loss, stop loss, and 100 pips targets. So this is what the results comes out, and I started this at 2,000 with $2,000 and I was using just 1,000 units. So I was always just buying and buying and buying, and I was making like $100 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 months, and then I've increased the position size to 10,000 units. And I was making money here 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. It was like all the months was profitable, and then I didn't make a new high for 12 months. I would say 12, 13 months. I would say 12 months. So it wasn't all the months wasn't all losers. It was like this was a losing month, this was a losing month, this was a losing month, that was a losing month, that was about the break even, that was a winning month, that was a winning month, and that was a winning month I think, and that was a losing month and winning month and another winning month, and then another winning month, and this is when I go back to break even. So sometimes this happens, especially when you're not a good trader. What I mean is not a good trader when you're not always find the direction, but if you can manage risk, then you will come out with profits over time. So, and then basically almost every month that was profitable, and so I had the equity high here, and then I didn't make any new highs till it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months I didn't make new highs. So even if you start out and you have people who starts out, they making months for 3, 4 months and they losing again, and I just change strategy. But basically every strategy you try gonna have these movements, like they have been in trees and make money, and then they losing for a period. So I would say 4 or 5 months, if you don't make new equity highs, that's still good. I mean, it was 13 months, but I didn't really look at the fundamentals, but now I do, and just because I manage risk, this is how I come out, and I will show you the chart. This is the daily. So what I was doing, so you can see this is where I started. You see, it was going up. It was going up for 1,000 pips. I take this off. The deal map, I take that off. This is where I started about. You see, it goes up and down, and it was like, this is 1,000 pips going up. And I was just buying. Obviously when it goes down, you manage risk, you just lose a little bit, and then when it's going up, you win a lot, and then obviously the fundamentals and everything, it's something they decreased the interest rate, and then started to print money to buy government bonds, and it was just going down 3000 pips. So basically you were buying into this downtrend, and this goes down 3000 pips, and look at the, and this is that period when it goes down. So basically you didn't give all that, you know, you made 1000 pips, it's gone up 1000 pips, and you made that much profit, and it's gone down to 3000 pips, and you gave back that much, and you were still profitable. So basically, positive risk reward is good. This is how you have to think to make your strategy, with the positive risk reward, because it's, even if you're wrong, over time you're gonna be profitable. And then when it started to go up, look how much profit I made, and I can show you the uptrend. I'm gonna go to the end. This was the downtrend, and this is when it started to go up, and I was just buying into it, buying all the way, buying. And if you look at the profit chart, this is that period, it's that, this period, and look how many it's made about, I think it's 115 or 116, and it was down 1.5, so it's made 1500 pips, gone up 1500 pips, which is, and you made so much profit. It didn't even go back there to 140 where you started buying. It's gone up just 116, and you made more than 100% profit. You see, that's why you need positive risk reward. But I'm sure you heard about companies when they invest in companies, and they say, oh, you know, you need 5 years, and your money, all the money what you spend or you invested is gonna return. So this is the same thing. I invested £2,000 dollars, and I made, how many months is that? It's about 3 years, and in 3 years time your money is coming back, your investment, and the rest now is gonna be profits. So I show you the if I can, you see, it's all buys. I can show you the whole thing. Buy, and I'm scrolling up. Buy. No, not one sell, not one sell. I'm completely up on the deposit. This is the deposit. Can go to the other side. £2,000 deposit. I'm going down. You can see the profits, and this is the losers. £2 losers, you see. And look at how many in a row, like 6. You see, one winner is £10, and obviously I'm gonna increase the position size after all, after a while. Here we go, I decreased it. You see, losers, 5 in a row, or maybe more, and £86, £100 profit, £100 profit, and I'm scrolling down slowly. You can see, and this is just buys, just long positions. down. See, 4,425. Go back to this. Profit 2,425. 2,425.86 pence. So this is it I wanted to cover this video. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.